There was once a little boy, quiet, curious, and misunderstood. His name was Thomas Edison. One day, he came home from school holding a letter. His eyes were confused, his heart was heavy. He gave the letter to his mother and said, "Teacher told me to give this only to you." His mother slowly opened it. Her eyes filled with tears. But she didn't read what was written. Instead, she smiled and said, "Your teacher says you are a genius. This school is too small for you. I will teach you myself." That moment changed everything. Because the truth was painful. The letter actually said, "Your son is mentally slow. He cannot be taught here." But a mother's belief was stronger than the world's judgment. Years passed. Edison grew up with questions in his mind and fire in his heart. He wasn't perfect. He failed many times. He struggled to understand things. He was even partially deaf. But he had something rare. He never stopped trying. While others slept, he stayed awake, experimenting. While others laughed, he stayed focused, learning. Then one day, he decided to do something impossible. He wanted to create light. Without fire. An electric light. People laughed at him. They said, "Are you mad? Light without flame? Impossible." But Edison didn't listen. He started experimenting. One attempt failed. 2 attempts failed. 10 failed. Hundreds failed. Each failure brought pain. Each failure brought doubt. Sometimes, late at night, in that silent laboratory, he would sit alone, surrounded by broken ideas, and wonder, "Am I wasting my life?" But then, something inside him would whisper, "Try one more time." So he stood up again. Hands tired. Eyes burning. Heart heavy. But hope still alive. He failed again and again. Not 100 times. Not 500 times. But thousands of times. People started mocking him. "You have failed thousands of times," they said. Edison calmly replied, "No, I didn't fail. I just found thousands of ways that won't work." That is the mindset of greatness. Not giving up, even when everything screams to quit. Finally, after thousands of failures, one night, something different happened. He tried again. And suddenly, a soft glow appeared. A small light. But it was enough to change the world. In that quiet room, in that tiny moment, darkness lost. Light was born. Edison didn't just invent a bulb. He proved something far more powerful. Failure is not the end. It is the path. Years later, after his mother passed away, Edison found that old letter. He opened it and read the truth. "Your son is mentally slow." Tears rolled down his eyes. And in that moment, he realized he was not successful because the world believed in him. He was successful because one person did. His mother. And because he chose to believe in himself. So if you feel like you are not good enough, if people doubt you, if life keeps pushing you down, remember Edison. You may fail 100 times, 1,000 times, but one success can change your entire life. Don't stop. Don't quit. Your light is waiting to shine. Thank you so much for watching this story. I hope this journey of Thomas Edison inspired you to never give up on yourself. If this video touched your heart even a little, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Because your support helps us create more meaningful stories like this. And remember, no matter how many times you fail, your success is still possible. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.